Are you looking for the best table saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best table saws that are available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. At number 5, Worx WX 572L55 amp BladeRunner portable electric tabletop saw. If you're looking for a small table saw capable of getting the work done, this is our best pick for compact table saws. This tiny machine has all the essential safety and cutting features, including a rip fence for straight cuts, a riving knife to avoid kickbacks, and a safety start key to avoid accidental starts. Additionally, you can make angle cuts left or right with the use of a miter gauge. This Worx machine uses a 4-inch hex blade and comes with 5 different types of blades to perform cuts in various materials, including wood, aluminum, tile, metal, or plastic. Furthermore, this table saw only weighs just over 14 pounds, making it easy to move around and set up. This small but powerful tool comes with a 3-year warranty and is a good table saw if you have limited storage space. At number 4, SKIL 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw. For woodworking enthusiasts looking for their next table saw, you have multiple choices on our list. But this portable job site SKIL table saw is our choice for this category. This table saw can run up to 5,000 RPM, making cuts smoother and faster, has a ripping capacity of 30-12 inches, and can cut up to 338 inches deep. On top of that, it features SKIL's patented dual field motor, making the engine run cooler and smoother while cutting harder and more efficiently. Thanks to its 16-inch rugged wheel and lightweight, it is also easy to carry and move. In addition, it comes with a miter gauge, an anti-kickback feature, a dust port, a push stick, and a rip fence. You'll be able to get more done efficiently while making precise and straight cuts. At number 3, DEWALT DEWALT 491RS 10-inch table saw. DEWALT is a quality brand name that delivers on its promise with this table saw. It cuts cleanly and powerfully, and I love the rack and pinion fence adjustment. It lets you dial in the width quickly when making rip cuts. The DEWALT DEWALT 491RS job site table saw also provides quick and easy portability. The rolling table design is easy to raise and lower. It's also not top heavy and won't roll over, making it one of the best table saws for beginners. Don't get offended. Pros. This saw has a powerful 2-horsepower motor that rips through all types of hardwood and pressure-treated lumber. The 10-inch saw blade cuts up to 3/18 inches in depth at 90 degrees and 2/14 inches at 45 degrees. An optional dado throat plate lets you add an 8-stack dado up to 316 inches thick. In short, it has all the features you need for almost any woodworking project. At number 2, DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max table saw. Compatible with DEWALT's FLEXVOLT 60V battery, this compact table saw is about as portable as they come. It's also smaller than every other option on our list, and with no extension cords or power outlets needed, is ready to work as soon as you are. Despite its small size, this portable table saw still provides a stable and sturdy work surface, thanks to a rugged metal roll cage and large rubber feet. Its rack and pinion telescoping fence rails are also capable of ripping large 4x8 plywood sheets. Its 8¼ inch diameter blade is smaller than the 10-inch versions of most other table saws though, so the maximum cut depth won't be as deep. At number 1, Powermatic 10-inch table saw. The Powermatic cabinet table saw is a versatile tool suitable for novice and experienced woodworkers alike. It has a powerful 1-horsepower motor and a 52-inch rip capacity that's capable of handling even the most challenging projects. The table is made of cast iron with a beveled edge for smooth sliding, and the saw uses a poly V-belt to reduce vibration and noise. Plus, the miter gauge pivots 60 degrees left-right for easy adjustment and an extensive range of cuts. Thanks to the AQ fence system, this saw offers effortless rigidity and precision without any racking or slipping during use. At the same time, because of its low maintenance, well-thought-out design, you'll get both durability and reliability even with long-term use. Whether you are making dovetail joints or creating tenons, this saw delivers smooth operation and effortless accuracy. Overall, I'd say this cabinet saw is an invaluable addition to any workshop, regardless of your experience level. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video. Until next time.